In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Google Map history. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Google Maps on your iPhone or Android. In my case, I'm using iPhone, so pretty much same options. So as you can see here, showing current map with my current locations. So then tap on this profile icon and make sure your Google Maps is logged with your Google account. So tap on profile icon and this showing a bunch of options, and then tap on your timeline. So as you can see, it's open another options, and here showing today, and here showing no visit for this day. That's mean today I'm not going anywhere. So if I swipe right, and it will show yesterday history. As you can see here, showing all my yesterday history. I visited that place, and if I swipe again, and it's also showing that day history where I going. So if I swipe again, and it's showing all the day history. So as you can see here, it is. So that way you can check Google Maps history. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.